Good morning, everybody. Look super duper scary, but today's video is going to be a week in my life as an NP student. As you guys noticed, I am not in my usual apartment. I'm actually at someone else's house and I'm in their guest room upstairs. The reason for that is because my mom left for India this morning, and where they live is a little bit closer to the airport, and we had an early morning flight. Anyways, I'm about to hop on to my Zoom class right now at 8:30, and it is advanced pharmacology, so that is what we're going to do. The first two classes of the semester are supposed to be on Zoom. We will see if they ever meet in person, but for now they're doing it on Zoom because of the wave of our favorite virus. So let's go on, log in, and get to business.
So drugs can bind to receptors, and then they can act as either agonists or antagonists.
We just finished our pharmacology class. That was a really long class, you guys. So now I'm going to head towards the east side. I was actually on the west side, I still am, but I'm gonna go get some gas and get to the hospital because I do need to pick up my badge. I also need to get a COVID test done. Okay guys, so I had something very unexpected basically kind of happen. My car was having some issues, so I had to leave my car on the west side and I took an Uber back because I had to get my badge, which I did get. You guys saw that. And I also needed to get a COVID test done, which I did also do. I ate lunch and everything. But now I'm just waiting for a friend so he could take me back to the west side so I can get my car back because I live on the east side of Cleveland. So that's something which was totally unexpected, but car did get stuck again in the snow. As you can see, there was a lot of snow. But yeah, that's life and you learn every day. Okay guys, I just got back from the west side of Cleveland and I'm fixing some dinner for myself. I'm going to have some keto tacos. I'm also making lunch for tomorrow, but that's not going to be keto, and that's because I haven't had the chance to go grocery shopping, you guys. And I'm just caramelizing some onions and I'm going to eat that with some sausage, beef sausage, because I don't have ground beef. And I'll show you guys what I got from Aldi that I'm going to use instead of tortillas. I'm telling you guys, this does not taste eggy at all, and it's just going to be perfect. I am going to show you guys the end result. And I'm also making some rice. I'm sorry, my apartment's a little messy. I'm making some rice right now. I love my new rice cooker. I got a new one. And I'm also kind of concerned about something, so I'll tell you a mini story. Basically, you know, we've had this snowstorm here in Cleveland and it's been so hard to get out of our driveway because I park in the garage because they haven't plowed anything. So I parked on the street, which technically you're not supposed to do overnight street parking where I live, but I don't know what else I'm going to do because I have to get to clinicals tomorrow morning and it's parked as close as I could. You know, the cop came by and he was like, you need to park closer to the snow. And I was like, okay, I'll try my best, sir. So I tried, but I'm a little concerned because it's kind of not really blocking the driveway. I don't know, and I'm just like worried, but it is what it is. And I'm just hoping that I don't get a ticket, because I'm not gonna do it if the snow is not there tomorrow. But if the snow is there tomorrow, I probably will have to do it again. Okay guys, so this is kind of what the final product looks like. I am super excited for this. My goodness, I look so sick without any like lip product on, but it is what it is. I do have to wear a mask eventually, so I don't want to be breaking out. But today I am at my first clinical site. I'm actually here a little bit early because I wanted to know, you know, where it exactly is. So I left a little bit early. It wasn't really, you know, that hard to get out of the street because I did do street parking. So I'm glad that everything went smooth, but I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time, but mostly excited. So let's get this degree, y'all. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday today. I do not have clinicals today, so I am just going to go grocery shopping this morning, and also Goodwill, because I do have some stuff to drop. I haven't heard about like a clinical placement. My hair looks like a disaster, oh my gosh. But I haven't heard about like a clinical placement. I just have one, and that's once a week so far, but I'm hoping that I get more because I have to finish like 240 hours of clinicals, you guys, this semester. And if I don't do that, then I have to like make it up in the break that we have. And I'm hoping that I go to India during my break, but I just have this gut feeling that that might not be possible, but that's okay. But yeah, I am gonna go to the store now and then come back and study a little bit. Okay guys, I have a quick grocery haul here for you. Just in case you're new to my channel, I usually shop from Aldi, and I'm kind of on a low carb lifestyle. So I got 2 cucumbers, some bacon, eggs, a chicken breast, raspberries, blueberries, Black Angus, bacon and cheddar cheese, beef patties, some cream cheese, some sour cream. Okay, like I was saying, some pre-packed snacks. I think this would be a good one for clinicals. Please excuse my nails, you guys. I just have been so busy. I haven't like had the time to think about it. Some olives, I think I already mentioned that, but some alcohol wipes which were on sale. Tomatoes, then we have some feta cheese, more snack items for clinicals. This is just the cheese and breadstick one with meat. Then I got some celery. I also picked up these mini candles. They were like 62 cents each because they were holiday items and they were on sale. I ended up getting them as presents for other people. You know, I think it's a nice size and it was pretty affordable. So I got that as presents for others. And then this one is something for myself. I probably would have done a Instagram post. If you have not been following me on there, definitely follow me on my Instagram page. It is a blog page, so I do post on there pretty often. But I'm excited to try this on cold. It smells like, I think, Marshmallow Fireside from Bath and Body, so I'm really excited for that. And then I got some spinach. So as you can see, this was not a very big haul. It's probably because I already have a decent amount of food in the fridge, and I have been doing this new thing where I'm like looking at recipes and then buying things according to them rather than stocking up for, you know, 1 or 2 weeks. So excited to try the new recipes that I found on Pinterest. Good morning, guys. I am actually getting ready to go to school. It's time to go for in-person class. So I'm rushing a little bit because I always have like a bus to catch. But I feel like I'm leaving a little too early. I know it's very dark on camera, as you can tell. Like, there's barely any light. Even outside, there's barely any light, but we're just heading out, getting our stuff together, and hopefully I'll see you on campus. Guys, I have no idea where my class is, and I'm looking for my class. Is this 228? 201. Not that one. Nice view.